Are you being annoyed by the Ichat Library DLL error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. As we prepare to resolve Ichat Library, consider using the diagnostic path below to ensure a stable environment for your libraries. This is the Ichat Library. Found in certain legacy desktop dashboards and older messaging clients, this library bridges the UI layer with the underlying messaging API. If absent, the communication panel cannot initialize, leading to a module failed to load error when attempting to access chat or notification features. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. Ichat is a restricted library bundled with the localized communication shim engine, and the most reliable recovery method is to run the setup for the host program, giving the error to refresh the internal files. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Ichat library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Safety first, never attempt to replace Ichat Library DLL with files found on random download portals. These sites lack quality control and often distribute files that are incompatible with modern Windows updates. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. To ensure your system configuration matches its capabilities, the repair resource below provides informational guidance on Ichat Library. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved Ichat Library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.